Hello all, and welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I am Lish the baker, and on today's episode we are making scones. The great thing about this recipe is that it can really be anything that you want it to be. I personally made mine with whole wheat flour and cranberries. But you are more than welcome to substitute any kind of flour that you would like and any kind of mix-in. You can make chocolate chip scones, orange scones, raisin scones, cheese scones, any kind you want. This simple scone recipe is perfect to whip up for any breakfast or brunch event. Without further ado, let's get into the baking. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new recipe. And leave me a comment down below. What kind of mix-ins are you going to use in your scones? Until next time, keep it delicious. A bit high.